In the last video, I am explained how to derive the syndrome polynomial of the cyclic code in non-systematic form. In this video, I am going to develop some syndrome evaluator table, which is very useful to determine the errors present in the transmitted code word. Syndrome evaluator table. In the last video, that link is placed in the description section of this video. Please see that one. Already derived that the syndrome polynomials S of p is equal to one expression remainder of y of p by g of p, and S of p is equal to remainder of E of p by g of p. Okay. Syndrome evaluator table consists of this one is the syndrome evaluator table. First one is error vector. First parameter of the table is error vector. Second one is error polynomial. Third one is S of p is the remainder of E of p by G of p. E of p by G of p. These are the three important parameters which are present in the evaluator table. Determine the error polynomial, which is very helpful to correct the received code word. Procedure. For received code word, y of p is the received code word. Received code word of the cyclic code, and syndrome calculate S of p for this received code word. S of p is equal to y of p by g of p. That means remainder of y of p by g of p. Okay. If S of p by g of p is compared with this S of p, this S of p syndrome polynomial is compared with the value of remainder of E of p by G of p in the evaluator table. Syndrome evaluator table. Third step is once SRP is equal to remainder of Y of P by G of P is determined, that polynomial is compared with the E of P by remainder of E of P by G of P. Then corresponding polynomial is the E of P. E of P in the syndrome evaluator table. Okay. Once EF is determined and correct the transmitted code word polynomial X of P is equal to Y of P plus E of P. This is the procedure, actual procedure. Suppose Y of P is the received code word. This is the step 1. This one is the step 2. If X of P is Y of P, X of P is equal to Y of P is equal to X of P, there is no error that S of P is equal to 0. But in Y of P is not equal to X of P. Therefore, find up S of P. S of P is the remainder of Y of P by G of P. That remainder is equal to the value of remainder of E of P by G of P in the evaluator table. The corresponding error polynomial is determined. E of P is determined. Finally, correct the corrupted transmitted code word X of P. X of P is equal to last equation. X of P is equal to Y of P plus E of P. Problem. With the help of that problem solution, I'm going to clearly explain the concept. This concept. This one is the problem. Consider a 7,4 cyclic code with generator polynomial G of P is equal to PQ plus P plus 1. First one. Find out all possible transmitted encoded cyclic code words in non-systematic form. If Y of P is received, Y of P is equal to X of P, that means S of P is equal to 0. If Y of P is not equal to X of P, that means some syndrome polynomial is present. Therefore, and then present E of P. Calculate E of P. Therefore, X of P is equal to E of P plus Y of P. 7, 4 cyclic code. 7, 4. That means n is equal to 7, k is equal to 4. The value of message vector is from m0 to m2 power k minus 1. That means m0 to m2 power 2 power k 2 power 4 minus 1. That is equal to m0 to m2 power 4 means 16 minus 1. That means 15. Generally, 16 possibilities are there. Message vector m0, m1, m2, m3, m4, m5, and so on and so forth to m15 message vectors. In systematic, G of P is given. G of P is equal to, given in the problem, PQ plus P plus 1. Consider out of these 15s for time consumption process. The procedure is same for all these message vectors from M0 to M15. Consider one message vector from M, that is M5. M5 means 4 bits are there. M0, K is equal to 4 means M0, M1, M2, M3, 1, 2, 4, 8. That means M3 is 0, M2 is 1, M1 is 0, M0 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. Therefore, M is equal to M5 is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1. Here M5 is the one of the possibility. M is the all possible message vectors. Therefore, M5 is taken as M for our convenience purpose. Convert this into polynomial form. M of P is equal to, this one is M0, M1, M2, M3. Here M of P means 0 into P cube plus 1 into P square plus 0 into P power 1 plus 1 into P power 0. That means 1 into P square is P square plus 1. That means MP of 5 is equal to P square plus 1. M of P is equal to P square plus 1. That means M5 of P. X5 of P. All possible output encoded cyclic code word. X of P is equal to M of P into G of P. M of P is P square plus 1. G of P is given polynomial, generator polynomial, PQ plus P plus 1. That is equal to P power 5 plus P cube plus P square plus P cube plus P plus 1. P cube cancel. Therefore, both are same. P power 5 P square plus P plus 1. This is the X of P polynomial. This is the X of P. This X of P is transmitted. This is the transmitter. X of P is generated by this cyclic cyclic code word generator. Some EFP is added. The received code word is YFP. YFP is equal to X of P plus EFP. P power 5 plus P square plus P power 1. X of P is equal to P power 5 plus P square. P power 5 plus P square plus P plus 1. Case 1. X of P is equal to Y of P is equal to X of P. That means Y of P is equal to P power 5 plus P square plus P plus 1. Okay. Find out syndrome polynomial. Check. If syndrome polynomial is 0, that means X of P is equal to Y of P. Remainder of Y of P by G of P. That is equal to remainder of Y of P, P power 5 plus P square P plus 1 by G of P is P cube P plus 1. That means P power 5 plus P square plus P plus 1. Here P cube plus P plus 1. Multiply with P square. Here 5 is there, here cube is there. Multiply with P square. That means P cube into P square, P power 5, P square into P cube plus P square. These two are cancelled. These two are cancelled. P cube plus P plus 1. This one remainder order. G of P order is same. That means plus 1 means P cube plus P plus 1 is 0. That means S of P is the remainder of G of remainder of Y of P by remainder of Y of P by G of P. S of P is equal to 0. S of P is equal to 0. Next step is Y of P is equal to P power 5. Y of P is equal to P power 5 P square plus P plus 1. Generally X naught Y of P X of P. In case 2, Y of P is not equal to X of P. Y of P is not equal to X of P. Suppose X of P is converted X of P is equal to P power 5 plus p square plus p plus 1. X vector is p power 6, p power 5, p power 4, p cube, p square, p power 1, 0. P power 6 quotient is not there, p power 5 quotient is 1, p power 4, p cube quotients are not there, p square quotient is 1, p quotient is 1, this is the X. But in the received code word Y, is 1 is replaced with 0. Some error is forcefully introduced for detecting the error procedure. Here 1 is replaced with 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. This one is p power 6, p power 5, p power 4, p cube, p square, p power 1, p power 0. Therefore, y of p is equal to p square plus p plus 1. P square plus p plus 1. Next, y of p is equal to p square plus p plus 1. Okay. Next one, find out S of p. S of p is the remainder of S of p is the remainder of y of p by g of p. But y of p is p square plus p plus 1. G of p is p cube plus p plus 1. But here order y of p numerator order is less than the denominator order. Next, find out the syndrome evaluator table. Syndrome evaluator table. In syndrome evaluator table, from that only you have to calculate E of p. Error vector. First one is error vector. First, next one is error polynomial. Next one is S of p is equal to remainder of E of p by G of p. This S of p is compared with this S of p. These two are equal. So options are there. At that instant, find out E of p. Okay. This one is 7 bits are 7, 4 cyclic code. 7 bits are there. P power 6, p power 5, p power 4, p cube, p square, p power 1, and p power 0. Suppose if first bit is corrupted, the vector is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. Therefore, E of p is p power 6. Find out S of p. Later I will determine that S of p. Next one, second bit is corrupted 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. That means p power 5. Next 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. P power 4. 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. P cube 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. P square is there. Next one 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. P power P is there. Last one is 0 0. Last one is 1 here. Here 1 is there. The remaining are zeros. Find out S of P. S of P is equal to E of P by G of P. S of P is equal to E of P by G of P. This is the syndrome evaluator table. E value is E value P power 6, P power 5, P power 4, P cube, P square, P power 1, P power 0. Next step is E of P, and final one is S of P is the remainder of E of P by G of P. E of P by G of P. Here first bit is corrupted 1 0 0 0. E power P is P power 6. 0 1 0 0 0 0 0. P power 5. 0 0 1 0 0 0 0. P power 4. 0 0 0 1 0 0 0. P cube. 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. P square. 0 0 0 0 0 1 0. That is P. 0 0 0 0 0 0. Last one is that is 1. Now then calculate. Then calculate this P power 6 by first one remainder of E of P by G of P, that is P power 6 by P cube plus P plus 1 remainder. P power 6 P cube plus P plus 1. Here cube multiply with cube. P power 6 P power 4 plus P cube. P power 6 plus these two are cancelled. P power 4 plus P cube. That means P into P cube, P power 4, P square plus P. These two are cancelled. Finally, P cube plus P square plus P. That means 1. P cube plus P plus 1. This P and cancel. Okay. Finally, P square plus 1. P square plus 1 is the remainder. Here place P square plus 1 in the place in the syndrome evaluator table. This one is the P square plus 1. P square plus 1. Next, P power 5 by G of P, that remainder is, we follow the same procedure. That is p square plus p plus 1, and third one is p square plus p. P power 4 by GFP is the p square plus p plus 1, p square p 1, because here from the last 3, here E of p is p square by G of p is p cube. In that case, numerator order is 2, denominator order is 3. Therefore, the E of p is nothing but S of p. In this case also, p power 1 by p cube plus p plus 1. Numerator order is 1, denominator order is cube. That means the G of p order is 3. In that case also, E of p is the E of p is equal to p is called as S of p. And the last one, E of p is S of p. In all these 3 cases, E of p is equal to E of p is equal to S of p in 3 cases. Here p square plus p plus 1. This is the p power 6 means p square plus 1. Here p square plus p plus 1. P square plus p plus 1. This one is there. Y of p. The corresponding error E of p is p power 5. The corresponding error is e power 5. The corresponding error E of p is p power 5, but x of p is equal to y of p plus e of p. Y of p is y of p plus e of p. Here y of p is equal to p square plus p plus 1. Actually, x of p is equal to, without any error, x of p is equal to, this is the x of p is equal to p power 5 plus p square plus p plus 1. Here p of p power 5 quotient is replaced with 0. Therefore, y of p is equal to p square plus p plus 1. Here, in previous case, x of p is equal to p square. X of p is p power 5 plus p square plus p plus 1. But y of p is equal to p square plus p plus 1. Some error is there. X of p is not equal to y of p. How to correct this error? X of p is equal to y of p plus e of p. Y of p is equal to p square plus p plus 1, but e of p is p power 5. E of p is p power 5. Therefore, p power 5 plus p square plus p plus 1. This is the actual x of p. With the help of that syndrome evaluator table, find out the error polynomial E of p corresponding to remainder of E of p by G of p, that is equal to remainder of Y of p by G of p. Once error pattern is determined, E of p is determined, that error pattern is added to Y of p received code word polynomial. We will get actual x of p code word polynomial. In this, the remaining here P of 6 is already P square plus 1 is determined. How will get S of P? Second row, that means P of P by P of I by G of P. We will get remainder is P square plus P plus 1. Okay, next P power 4 by G of P, remainder is P square plus P. Next P power P cube by G of P, P plus 1. Here P square by GP, G of P, P square by G of P. P square means here order is 2, here order is 3. G of P means PQ plus P plus 1, order is 3. That is the reason E of P is nothing but S of P is nothing but E of P. In these three cases, S of P or E of P. E of P is nothing but S of P. With this, syndrome evaluator table construction is completed. With the help of that syndrome evaluator table, E of P is determined. With the help of S of P is equal remainder of E of P is E of P by G of P, that compared with the remainder of Y of P by G of P. That E of P is added with Y of P, we will get original transmitted X of P polynomial.